that I have is coming in from Rajesh, who has invested in both Bajaj Finance, been holding the stock for quite some time now, and he's actually he's actually not given the exact price at which he has really bought the stock. But since the stock is up, Hemen, what's your take on Bajaj Finance overall? Yes, it has been one of those multi-bagger stocks, but along with that, what we have seen is that off late is seen to be taking a bit of a breather. But what's your take on Bajaj Finance?
Actually, the setup seems reasonably positive. We've just recently posted a all-time high. I mean, recently would mean a few weeks back, but it is in a 24-year up move. So we are once again in a longer term uptrend comfortably. I think 960, 970 were levels from where it gave a breakout after consolidating. So I believe it's a hold. Recently, it's overcome the 55-day exponential moving average. The stage it's set for it to continue its support. So, like I said, 24 years and counting, nothing to worry. Hold.
To worry, you should hold on to these stocks. Next question is coming in from Mr. Satya Veni from Hyderabad, and Lancelot, it's on TCS and Tech Mahindra. So he wants to know your view on both of these counters. The buy price for TCS is somewhere around 3990, and for Tech Mahindra is 1710. He wants to know the average price where he can add more quantity and maybe consider it long term.
If one is looking at it from a long-term perspective, one can even acquire the stock at current price as well. And if it does go down a little bit further, then you can accumulate the stock, because from a long-term perspective, the stock is trading at about 23 times its earnings. And if you look at forward earnings, it may trade about 20 to 22 times forward earnings. So there may not be immediately a large increase in revenues as well as profitability in the near term, maybe for the next 1 or 2 quarters. But what we are seeing is that the TCS management has indicated that they are moving into trying to generate a skill set required for implementation of AI-driven projects. And the customer base they will all require some kind of support in terms of implementation of AI projects in their system. So that will generate additional value for TCS over the longer term period. Plus, you get significant cash flows, so the dividend payout is high. So it's a good stock to accumulate from current price and below. Similarly, with Tech Mahindra, they are also in the similar space. They're also in the services space. And from a valuation perspective, the current values are also reasonably, on the lower side. So one can look at accumulating it at 1600 and below. That should give you a little bit of comfort as far as the longer term is concerned.
That's the take coming in on both of these counters, but time now to slip into a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back to take more of your stock-related queries on the other side.